Wow, the airport is big.
Yes, are you ready for the trip?
Look at that building.
It's exciting to travel. Let's go inside.
Okay, I have my passport. There are so many people.
Airports are always busy. Let's check our flight.
I see the departure board. Where is our counter?
I think it's over there.
The line is long.
That's okay, we have time.
Is your suitcase heavy?
No, it's not too heavy.
May I see your passports?
Here you are.
Thank you. Thank you. Here are your boarding passes. Great!
Thank you very much. We got our boarding passes.
Yes! Let's go to the gate. I have a window seat.
That's great. I have an aisle seat. Here is the security line.
Okay, let's get ready.
I will put my bag in the tray.
I need to take out my phone and keys. The line is moving slowly.
It's okay, we have enough time. I am going through the scanner.
I will wait here.
I got my bag.
Me too. Let's go.
The gate is this way.
I see the signs. Gate 5. Look at the shops.
Yes, there are many things here. Do you want to look at souvenirs?
Yes, maybe later we can buy something.
I want a coffee.
I'll take a snack, please. Here you go. This seat is nice.
Yes, let's sit here. Where will we go first?
I think we visit the city center.
Let's check the boarding time.
Our flight leaves at 11:30.
Flight 203 is now boarding at Gate 5.
That's our flight.
Let's go. Let's collect our bags.
Yes, I'm ready.
The gate is this way.
I see the sign, Gate 5. The line is moving slowly.
Don't worry, we have time. May I see your boarding passes? Here you are.
Thank you.
Here we go, the airplane.
I'm excited to sit inside.
Here we are, inside the airplane.
It looks nice and clean.
Let's find our seats.
Mine is near the window.
This is my seat.
I'm sitting next to the window.
I will put my bag in the overhead compartment.
I will put mine here too.
It's nice to sit here.
Yes, I feel comfortable. Look at the runway!
The airport looks small from here. Let's fasten our seatbelts.
Okay, I'm ready.
The plane is moving slowly.
Yes, we are going to take off soon.
I am excited for the trip.
Me too, it will be fun.
We are taking off now.
Wow, look at the runway below.
Look at the clouds.
They are so beautiful.